Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing one for all you low-carb keto people out there. Got these boneless chicken thighs. We're going to season them with salt, pepper, cayenne, garlic powder. Gonna flip them over, give the bottoms some love. I know sometimes they get overlooked, but you really do want to love your bottoms with the same attention, same seasoning. Pat it in, set it aside for 30 minutes to come up to room temperature if you have time. Now, preheat a pan, add some olive oil. Now, thighs go in, skin side down, for about 5 minutes over medium heat. Flip them, and then you're going to fry for 3 to 4 more minutes. There you go. They should look something like this, but if you want to leave them in a little bit longer, feel free. They should be crispy, the fat and the skin rendered out. They're going to be good, I promise you that. I like looking at a nice pair of thighs now and then, don't you? Alright, same pan. I'm gonna have it over medium heat. In goes the broccoli. In goes the mushrooms. Now I'm gonna top it off with a little bit more salt and a little bit more cayenne pepper. That would be all the seasoning that is required in this situation. And then I'm just gonna stir fry those for 2-3 minutes. And that's all it takes. That chicken fat, the remainder of the olive oil is really, really good. Don't overburn them, but you only need to cook them 2-3 minutes. Don't those look good? I promise, no butter was used. Alright, I just put them right next to that chicken thigh and you got a keto meal ready to go. Enjoy, like, subscribe, send your love. Ciao, ciao.